Okay, folks, let's get this straight. You've probably heard of Rocket Money, right? Maybe you've seen their ads or even used their app to manage your finances. But have you ever wondered who's behind this money-saving powerhouse? Today, we're going to dive into the mystery of Rocket Money's ownership. Now, you might think Rocket Money is a standalone company, but that's not quite the case. In fact, it's part of a larger financial empire. So, let's unravel this mystery together and discover the company that calls Rocket Money its own. Before we get to the big reveal, let's take a quick look at what Rocket Money actually does. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you save money by tracking your bills, subscriptions, and other expenses. It also helps you negotiate lower bills and cancel unused subscriptions. Think of it as your own personal financial assistant. So, who owns Rocket Money? The answer is Rocket Companies. Rocket Companies is a publicly traded company based in Detroit, Michigan. It's a leading provider of financial services, including mortgage lending, home buying, and auto financing. Rocket Companies is also the parent company of Rocket Mortgage, one of the largest mortgage lenders in the United States. Rocket Companies acquired Rocket Money in 2021 for $1.275 billion. This acquisition made Rocket Money a subsidiary of Rocket Companies and gave Rocket Companies a larger share of the personal finance market. So, what does this mean for Rocket Money? Well, it means that Rocket Money has access to the resources and expertise of a large and successful company. This can help Rocket Money to grow and innovate and to provide even better services to its customers. It also means that Rocket Money is now part of a larger ecosystem of financial services. This can make it easier for Rocket Money customers to manage their finances as they can use Rocket Company's other products and services. So, there you have it. Rocket Money is owned by Rocket Companies, a leading provider of financial services. This acquisition is a testament to Rocket Money's success and its potential for future growth. I hope this answers your question about who owns Rocket Money. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and insights. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.